donut. I'm going to teach everyone how to make donuts.
Okay, step 1.
Click a donut.
Okay.
Step 2. Put the ingredients.
And then, what's that? Milk and flour.
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 Ano daw sa flour?
Don't ask me. And then the egg and butter and white sugar. Wow, is that yummy?
Yes.
And then you roll out the dough. How many will you make?
6.
Wow. And then,
Fry them.
wow.
If they're burned, you have to catch them. That's for sure.
And then,
Paint them pink.
that's the icing.
Alright, I see.
And then,
I get it. You need to cover the red, right?
yes.
Then put sprinkles on it.
Is that sprinkles?
Oh, not sprinkles.
Wow, yummy.
Yummy in my tummy.
And then, show them how you eat that. No more.